take initiative. This is awesome. Okay, this is how we do it. Are we rolling?
Yep.
Yay! This is week 1 of our American Smooth Viennese beginner. We're going to go from 0 to hero with this one. This is my friend Sue. We're at ABL. My name is Jim. We did some of the basic steps to get into all the things that we do when we have to stop. Okay, so our first step that we did was our balance step, or also known as a hesitation step. And we did 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And we can also go from side to side. So going on my left or Sue's right, we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And that helps us when we're running around that track and we really got to slow down and do something, get a breather. Okay? One more time for that. We have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we're actually hitting it on the 1, holding the 2 and the 3, which gives us our hesitation timing. Second step we did was our 5th position. So kind of similar, but has a little bit more of a oomph to it. So we had 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. And then we took the same one. Are you ready for this? Oh! All right, we're going to do that same step, and we're going to do an underarm turn for the lady. Gentlemen can do it too. We might talk about it later. We didn't do it tonight, so we'll just do the ladies' turn. So we have 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 3, 6. And then we end it on that. Then came the iconic reverse turn. Everyone loves this step. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Everybody did really well with it. So what we're going to do is we're going to break it down. So we're going to start. We talked about having a left side lead, making sure that we had a positive left side. My left foot is free. Lady's right foot is free. What we're going to do is we're going to step forward. We have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One more time on that, and then we'll break it down. We have 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Thank you, Sue. All right, so I'm just going to show it to you without the partner. We'll do the gentleman's part first. So we talked a little bit about that rotating of the knees. We have that left side positive. So as I step forward on a forward step, I start to create rotation. My upper body continues to create rotation as I create the cross. Okay, so let's do that again. So we have 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to continue to rotate as the lady's going to step forward. She's going to drive 1, 2, 3. So the lady's part on that, she has 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, there's a couple more elements I'm going to show you on how to make that reverse turn easier. I'm saving them for next week. Practice, 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 and I'll see you guys next week. Thank you.
Thank you, Jim.